Okay, so let's start. So for today's section is going to be very interesting, and I believe we are going to be talking about the tools that basically use. So this one are the basic one, and it will be you have the advanced type of it. So the tools basically for content. Last week we talked about platforms, which was what you created, the social platforms for them, and I believe they are up to date for now. So now moving on about the tools for marketing, because if there's no content on the page, there's nothing is going to happen in terms of development, in terms of growing your community, in terms of reaching larger people. And we know the major content is of two types. We have the still and we have the motion. The still can be your picture, can be your design. Do you understand? Then we have the what's it called? The motion, which is video, which can come in MP4, carousel, sorry, MP4, reels, and so on and so forth. Do you understand? So it is audio visual, both the sound and the visual. That is what combine the video content. Do you understand? So that's it. So let's look at an platform and note they are free platform and they are paid platform. So for instance, you can have an opportunity to meet platform that you won't pay, you don't have to pay much, you just pay small and they have access to the premium service. E.g. is Canva. I know you know what Canva is. I'm going to show you how to operate on Canva right now in this platform, in this class. So let's take it one by one. Then we'll look at design tool, look at Google tool, look at social media tool, and why are these important tools? Why are these tools important generally? So let's go to, it's going to be a very practical session. I believe you should have a Canva, what's it called? So let's quickly move on to our browser. Let's start with Canva. The best thing you need to do to go to Canva is just type Google. Google is our friend. Google know where to get anything you want to just go to Canva, right? So visual for everybody, just click on canva.com. It's going to load. So these are the interface. Do you get? I'm coming. 1 minute. This is Canva interface. These are pure design that we've done. But first thing you need to know is that you need to know that it is easier to use. I would advise you to use Canva on desktop than on laptop, so you can see the element that will complement what you want to do. Either you want to do video, you want to do still, anything. Do you understand? So first thing I used to, when I'm introducing a new platform to somebody, it's good to know the environment of the app in respect to what you want to do, or in respect of the uh stuff you want to do on the app. For instance, here, if you look at my right hand here, my left hand here, you can see where my mouse is. Here we have plus sign, home. This is basically, the menu section for the Canva where you can see where you have your home. This is the home. You have your project, what you've done. It will come up here. You see all your work that you've done before will come up here. So you can see them. You see templates. Template of, if you want any kind of templates, it give you this presentation, this for poster, resume, email, logo, flyer. As you can see the flyer that we're talking about here. See flyer and post. So flyer, brochure, menu, document, website, designs, sheet. This is for Excel, whiteboard, photo, collage, business card, Facebook posts. That's it. Yeah, post. So you can see. Let's continue. So we have mobile video, down to do reels video for your Instagram, so on and so forth. we have invitation card, we have normal landscape view, we have Instagram story, Instagram post. You can see a sample of them here. So you can pick any of these and use. See, do you get? So let's go for brands. Basically, these are templates that you have to pay for to use them. If you want to create a brand for yourself, you want to choose a color, you want to choose different kind of stuff that nobody have used before. You have to pay. You can see where there's this plan, maybe that's paid is the premium version. This is Canva AI, just like the way we use ChatGPT. You can put everything. I need a logo that will, you understand? I am, let me say, I am into fashion design, female alone. I need, I need a logo representative. So it's going to load, then it give you different things thinking, you get to it's generating logo for you. Do you understand? It's as simple as that. So it's manipulating how to put finalizing your design. Do you get? So let's see what comes up with that one. You can see it's coming up with designs. And trust me, you can edit and change these pictures. You can change the color and so on and so forth. But for today's class, let's go back home. So we're still finalizing the designs for us. So you see, so you see, so you see. You can change them, change the logo. You understand? So let's go back to home. First thing, first thing you need to work on is basically is either you come here to choose your what's it called? Size of what you want. So if you want a custom, so if you want for PowerPoint, you choose PowerPoint. For social media, to edit your, see, this is for social media. It's going to give you which one do you want? Do you want Facebook, Instagram? You can see the presets. Do you want normal post? Do you want story? Do you want reels? Anyone you pick. Do you want LinkedIn? But you can see the beauty on your desktop. I'm not advising you to use phone. You might not get this experience on phone. Do you want Twitter? Do you understand? So let's go to how to edit photos too. You can edit photo here. You can see there's photo that was able to edit that was here. So we have video. What kind of video do you want? Do you want race video? Do you want landscape? Do you want mobile video? Do you want TikTok video? Do you want YouTube video? Anyone that you want here can easily be taken. So do you understand? And if you don't want any of that, and you want to customize your own size, come here, give it width, and make sure you are in inches anyway. So make it like 4 by 5. Depending on any design that you want to print, or 4 by 6, anything you want, it will pick it for you. That is the basic step. You understand? That's the basic step on how to run, to create a more like a beginning version of creating content. Do you understand? So that's that. So let's now take it one by one. So this is where you see what you want to do and what you've done before. Do you understand me? So let's look at it now from this angle here. So let's pick. Okay, let's go back to our presentation anyway. So we have designed to, we are in Canva already. Let's try to do a flyer or a post. A post can be a flyer, can be a video. For instance, we are into fashion design, as we said. We should have even downloaded one that design before. Okay, let's try to do a post, social media post. So let's say you want to do IG, Instagram. So let's say you want to do Instagram post here. You click on Instagram post. So it's going to come with different template of Instagram. These are the previous one that we've used. So it can be a video, it can be a, so when you click on it, it show recent used. I've used this tool before. So you can ask train you anyone that is here. So if you know that you do not find anyone that you like here, if you notice this one that I have King here, they are paid version. So my, do you understand? The payment is get expired, sha. That's the point. They are paid version. Do you get? So let me say I need a flyer for a design for fashion store. Do you get? So you will now look at the one it gave you. Do you understand? Let's look at this one that paid. These are paid. This is free. This is paid. This is paid. This is a free. These are free too. These are paid. This one are free too. So let me use this one. Do you understand? So everything here can be changed. You can change them to welcome to our store. Welcome to our store. The basic thing you need to do, then you can reduce the size to what fits what you want to do. That's too small. So this is, let's say, 42. Okay, you can adjust it up and down. That's why it's good to use laptop so that I can see what you are doing. Do you understand? So that's that. That's one. You can delete this picture and bring in another picture inside, depending on what you want to do. So how to bring a picture is come to this upload. You can change the picture. Let's say you want to change this picture to just click on it. Automatically to be here. And you put it there. You understand? So if you want to move the background, so the background is for paid version. If actually this account has been paid, you just click on it to going to trace this other the background of this lady out. Do you understand? So if you have a paid version, just click on it and remove background, it will remove by itself. Exactly. So this is one for content. So let's try the video part of it. Click on this again. Come to templates, this template of, okay, template. Okay, you should see a video for a video for fashion stuff. Let's see. You can think first. I don't want to use this AI yet. Let's come down, look for anyone that we can use for now. This is video. I think, yeah, this is video. So let's check this. So let's let it load. So you can change the text. Welcome to our store. You understand? So now, when you are done designing and then you feel like what you are doing is okay, just come to this share button. There's a share button here to see. So when it loads, it will show you see download. So it asks for video. The reason why it's showing MP4, it was because of this other video here that we have here. You understand? So let's try to delete this one and see. You see purely MP4. See MP4. Download the video alone, right? So let's Control Z it and delete this one. You see save as PNG. See, save as PNG. Do you understand? So another thing again is you can pick which one you want. Either you want the video or you want, do you understand? So that's how it's being done. So let us go newly to proper video content. on Canva. So let's say, let's do for YouTube. Let's go for normal proper YouTube video. YouTube, this thumbnail, banner, this ad display, this YouTube short, this YouTube video. Yeah. So it's going to open different elements of YouTube. You can see the template now has changed. You can see it's showing play, autoplay. Do you understand? Automatically it's showing, it's giving us different form of video format. See, this is strictly videos. So let's do fashion store, fashion store, fashion store design. You can see, do you see? Most one here are even paid set. So you can see, you can change, you can do your recording and place it here. So if I play this now, let's play it together now, you see. It will load, you can see. You can do your recording in your house and put it inside this container. It's going to go. Do you understand? So you see, imagine you have let me see if I have a video here. I want to replace the video. You have a video. I don't think I have a video here. I wish I had a video. I don't mean you have a video here. You can just click inside. You understand? You just make sure it's up. You get, so you just use it to replace. Do you understand? Just need to replace the, so you can see. You can replace it, just put it inside it. Imagine this picture is a video. It will have worked directly. Do you understand? That's how it is. That's how simple. So when you are done, just come here and it's automatically download. It's going to be MP4. Do you understand? So it's as simple as that. So this is the basic part of it. So if you want an advanced editing or whatever, so you're advised to learn either CapCut or you learn Premiere Pro. Do you understand? So which is very important. So if you learn those one or you give somebody that can do that for you, you know, it's very, very interesting. Do you understand? So that's that for that. So moving on, let's quickly go to the next one before because of our time. The next one is another tool that is very important is Google tool. So like we all know, Google is our friend, right? But not everybody knows how to be friend with Google. So let us look at the different products under Google. Let's check now. You see how we can use it. Google products. List. Okay, let me put to the lists Google products. So there's a lot of Google products here. So part of it is you can see they have search engine, they have Google News, Google Lens, Gmail, Google Meet, Google Chat, Google Drive, Google Doc, Google Sheets, Google blah, Google Do, Google everything. They have Google products that can use for marketing. But for today, we'll be looking at basic two, which is Google Drive and Google Document. What Google Drive does is one, you must have a Gmail account. So my Gmail account has been signed into this Google inside my Google here. Do you understand? So everything that is talking about here is going to be under this Google Apps. Do you understand? So for today, we'll be looking at Google Drive and Google Doc. So let me quickly go to Google Drive. So Google Drive enable you to store more like this. This is a Google Drive. It's more like the storage where you upload information, drive, where just like it's data, just like an iPhone cloud, where you know it gets full. Now it's telling me that I've used up to 87% of my space. Do you understand? So now note, like on your left hand where you're watching the video, you see that it has home. This is the home. You have my drive. everything that I have inside the pop up here. These are different courses, and you understand, more and more are loading. Then we have computer. Do you understand? There's nothing in computer that I have to synchronize into this. So people that I share content with, they'll be here. People that I skip my content to, or they watch their content, they send their content to me, will be here. The recent activities too will be here. What I just did not quite long will be here. Then, start, the one I start, the spam, crashes that I did in like last night, not today. Do you understand? But the best part is how to use it. Come back to home and click on what we call new. In case you are done with the design, you want to upload it, you don't want to miss the design or something, you can just come here, click on new. So it's asking you if you want to create a new file, you want to create a new upload, file upload, or folder upload. So if you want to do file upload is maybe you have a PDF, you have PowerPoint that you want to save here, just come here and upload it. If you have a folder, maybe you have a lot of information. Now, this is an example of file upload. You can see their document. So this is an example of folder. These are folders. Yeah, you can see these are folders. So when I open this one, I'm going to open another thing entirely. They are folders. Do you get? That's another example. So these are simple as that. So let's go to the next one so that we won't take much of our time. Getting into the Google product. So like I said, make sure you sign in your Google inside your Google Chrome. When you come here again, so the next one that we'll be looking at is Google Document. Google Document is similar to Word, Word, Microsoft Word, whereas you'll be able to write letters, send email, all those kind of shit. So this is an example. If you click on the doc, you can see basically it's telling you this is a blank part. This is for a resume. It's not to write your CV, resume for CV, letters, formal letter, proposal letter. If you want to do brochure, if you want to do report. Yes, and these are the ones that I've done. I was able to do on the, Google Sheet here. You can see a lot of, you know, as far back as 2012 or 13, I've been using it. Do you understand? So for the new one, so let's just pick any of them. Let's pick this the letter. Let's pick each one. You are doing business, you should think proposal or proposal or brochure. I'll click on brochure anyway. So what this does for us is, it gives us a template of doing stuff. We can edit them one by one, put your company name, do everything, you know, they are there for you already. You can easily edit them, put what you want, change an image, anything. You want to see, replace an image, replace it. You understand? So just like we are using Microsoft Word, it's as simple as that. So let's quickly go for the blank one. The blank one, you need to do everything yourself. Just like you just keep typing my new business, that kind of stuff. Business. So just can edit. You can increase the size by plus sign there. You can, align it center, left align, justification, so on and so forth. You can bold, you can change the font type, just everything that your Microsoft Word does, you can do it here. You can do the header, title, you can bold, you can italic, you can underline, you can change the color. You understand? You can do background, what's it called? It depends on what you want. You understand? So anything you think that it will work for your brand, that's what you can use this thing for. Okay, so I believe if you are doing it, consistently, it's going to make sense for you. So let's quickly go to business, social media tools, which is very important as well. Social media tools like, which is very simple, right? Oh, you see the record anyway. So let's go to social media tools, which is very important. Let's go back to Google. Let's go to social media too. Let's do, for instance, we are on basically on Meta. What you just do, because Meta is connected to Facebook, Instagram, and so on and so forth. So let's go Facebook, Facebook, business, food. So this is it here. So I'm going to use mine as an example because I have a lot of stats now. I'm not going to add manager over. Just go to, I'm not going to add manager. Add manager is not for today class, please. We started on the business suits here. This is suit here. So now I have a couple of brand I manage anyway. So here you can see I have a couple of brands that I manage. So look at them here. These are brands that I manage. Just under one of my account, I have these pages. So in this page here, you can manage a lot. And you can create content from here. You can create a post, create a reels, create a story, go live here and do more stuff. Yes, and this will receive a lot to do. So under this part, when I talk about your left hand side, which gives you notification what's happening on the account that you click. So you see notifications from your social platform. Then you come here. If they are running adverts, you see your advert information. You want to run a new campaign, you can see it here. If you want to pay for advert, you pay it here. If you want to add results, you see it here too. If you want a planner, like you want to be posting one day, you can schedule your post down on this. If you want to post tomorrow, come here and schedule it. You want to share story for today, you can come here and still share your story. Send an invite to people as well. It's very simple, but this one enable you as to organize how you're posting. You can post like for the next 15 years or 40 years to come. One thing is that make sure that your timetable, your calendar choice is correct, and then you just go. So it's very easy. Just come to create posts here. If it's a story you want to create story. If it is event, if it's create reels, if it's bulk upload, if it is post reel across pages, if it is to go live, same thing go here. So the next thing is content plan. So basically, it's similar to the calendar where you can, post, run adverts, and so on and so forth. Do you get? So you know biggie about it. So for creators that are into business, that they are into, it's advisable to verify your business to be able to post on, what's it called? To be able to post on business version. So insights. So what I will tell you is that you can as well go through them one by one and see how beneficiary you could learn from them. Then why these two are very important? Number one is very important because they save time. Imagine you want to post from now to the end of this month. You can easily go on this platform, put everything today. By next week, it will upload by itself. It make your work easier and faster using Canva to come up with the designs because there's a template already for there for you to use. You can easily manipulate. So in case you are done and you want to save your content, you can save it inside what's it called? You can save it inside the drive, and if you need a document to write, same thing goes to, does not really talk about document alone. You can do what's it called? Google.com. You can do other ones too. You can do Excel is here. See this for Excel. This for sheet is for Excel. Google Meet. This for picture, video. This for PowerPoint. You understand? This for Play Store. You understand? That's how it is. So it is not about what really is going on, but there's a lot you can do. Hopefully, when we meet in the other class, we'll be able to do more about it. Do you understand? So for class section or your assignment that you need to do and then work on in your next and we'll talk about it on our next class. It's going to be design a flyer using Canva, add text, add image, and use brand color. So yeah, so that's that for today. I believe if you have any question, just let me know. Do you understand?